Now, from your experience, if you look at this question, similar to those that you see in the notes, you know that these are trigonometry of right angle triangles, and it typically involves you forming a pair of simultaneous equations, right? So, if we know that we are forming, likely to form simultaneous equation, then a quick possibility would be likely to do or form the variables that we need to do, all right, in order to formulate our equations. So point P and Q are vertically above A, such that AP is equals to 15, AQ is equals to 40. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower signal tower H from P is 11.8. The angle of elevation of H from Q is 8.7. Question 1 asks us to find the horizontal distance AB between the building and the signal tower. Now, this AB will probably be the same as this line over here. I'm just going to call this probably PR and QT, for example, just to give some more letters to help support the question notation, right? So from here, what can we go about doing is we can say that maybe if we let AB be X, right? Then at the same time, PR will also be X and QT will also be X. Okay, I'm going to start by first calculating this value over here. So if I'm going to let this to be Y, HT to be Y, this, as I know, would be 25 meters, because I'm taking 40, subtract away 15 to give me 25. All right. So with all these notations are ready, let me just write it down nicely now. Okay, so I'm going to say let X be AB, which is equals to PR, which is equals to QT. At the same time, I'm going to say that Y is equals to HT. So I'm going to use X and Y all the way. The next part, I'm going to look at this triangle, PHR. And looking at triangle PHR or using triangle PHR, I can say that tangent of 11.8 degrees is equals to Y plus 25 over X. Let me call this equation 1. Next, let me look at this another triangle, the one in green, QHT. Looking at triangle or using triangle QHT, I can say that tangent 8.7 degrees is the same as Y over X. Now from here, what you go about doing is you now go and solve simultaneously. All right. So tangent 11.8 actually is just a very nice number. Let me try to work it out with my calculator on the side. This turns out to be 0.20891. Tangent 8.7 turns out to be 0.15302. Remember, these are just numbers, right? So from equation 1, if I were to cross multiply 0.20891 units of X is equals to Y plus 25. Similarly, if I make Y the subject, then this is just 0.20891x, subtract away 25, equation 3. Now from equation 2, I can say that Y would be 0.15302 of X, just by multiplying both sides by X. Now you see, if equation 3 and 4, both of them have Y as a subject. Now if I were to solve them simultaneously, right? So let me even show you how I'm doing it now. I'm just going to copy paste here. Oh, sorry. Copy paste here. And eventually you can solve, just take 0.15302x, subtract 0.20891x. That should give you negative 25. And solving this, sorry, just give me a second. Just key into the calculator now. Okay, so after which I take 25 divided by, and I believe your x would turn out to be 447.30721 meters. Approximately is 447 meters lah. Okay, so what is this x? Remember, this x actually is none other than our AB. Okay, so the answer for part 1 would just be 447 meters corrected to 36 feet. Now next we are supposed to find part 2. Now part 2 is the signal tower, which is actually y plus 25 plus 15 or y plus 40 lah. Okay, so after we found our x, we then go on to find our y. Let's just use this equation here. Right, so our y is equals to 0.15302 multiplied by the original x, which is 447.30721. Answer turns out y to be 68.44695 meters. Okay, the height of the signal tower would be y plus 40. Remember, this is y plus 40. This is the height of the signal tower. Okay, which is y plus 40. Basically, is 68.44695 plus 40. And it turns out to be approximately 108.44695, or approximately this is just 108 meter corrected to 36 feet.